Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gabe Hogan, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about a brand new exchange that you can use to purchase altcoins. Alright, guys, but before we get into that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure and click the subscribe button and tick the bell. Giving away free Litecoin every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All you got to do is comment on this video, be subscribed to the channel, and leave your Litecoin address in the comments. Alright, guys, so what I want to talk about is a new exchange where you can buy altcoins. Okay, Binance is closed, bittrex is closed. So many exchanges that you used to be able to buy altcoins on, now they're full up. You can't get on there. You can't buy altcoins right now. But I want to show you a new exchange that you can sign up for today to be able to buy all the different types of altcoins that you want to buy. All right, guys. But first, let's just look at the market. All right, let's just go through the market, see what's going on real quick. 743 billion today. Bitcoin dominance still falling. We're at 32.7%. Bitcoin is up 1.5%. Ethereum still going. Litecoin had a good day today, up 10%. Bitcoin Gold up 57% today. I'm not sure what's going on with Bitcoin Gold. I'm not even sure what that means at this point, that it's up 57%. That's kind of weird. Maybe it has something to do with a fork that's coming up. I'm not really sure. I'll have to do some more digging on that one for you guys. Ethereum Classic 23%. And everything else is kind of mixed in here. Okay, kind of red. But you guys can see that the top 100 is changing constantly. There's coins that used to be in the top 200, now they're in the top 20. I mean, the market is constantly changing, guys, okay? If we look at Electronium, let's see where Electronium's at. It's at 34th. We're sitting at almost 18 cents. Solid. But yeah, guys, that's just a little update. Just kind of showing you guys where the coins are at. Just go to CoinMarketCap and check it out. Okay, be watching this every single day. Look for opportunities. Opportunities are always popping up. Coins will always have a bad day. Then you can jump in on the dip, ride it up, make some money. Okay, guys, it's not rocket science, but you have to be watching the market. Okay, so I want to show you guys an altcoin exchange that you can use to purchase all these different altcoins that you guys are not able to purchase through Binance, through bittrex, through any of those exchanges. Okay, and it's called Kucoin. It's called Kucoin. Okay, I just signed up for this, so I cannot vouch for how it works, how it acts. I have not done a loan yet. I mean, not a loan. I've not invested yet and actually bought some different coins, but I will be doing that, and I'll tell you guys how this works and whether it went smooth, whether it didn't go smooth, etc. I just want to get you guys aware that this exchange is out there, okay? And it's one of the bigger ones now coming into the picture. So this is going to be their homepage. Okay, you can see something about they're going to be giving away a Porsche 911. I'm not sure what that has to do with anything. Just some type of giveaway they're doing. But if we look at the exchange itself, okay, I want to show you guys all. If you go to markets, you can see all the different types of exchanges that they have. Now you can buy with BTC, you can buy with Bitcoin, you can buy with Ethereum, you can buy with Neo, and you can buy with Tether. Okay, and also Kucoin shares. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, and Tether. Alright, now I want you guys to see all the different coins they have. They got Rayblocks. They've got Po. See what else they got on here. Ethereum Classic, Neo. See what this is right here, guys. And the exchange looks nice. I mean, when you click on it, it's got a nice setup. I actually like this better than some of the other ones. I mean, it looks very professional. Once you actually click on it and you get in here and look at the charts, I kind of like it. I kind of like it. It's a lot better than Cryptopia, that's for sure. Not down in Cryptopia. It's just the interface is horrible. Okay, the interface is horrible. We got substratums on here. Litecoins on here. What else we got? Omise Go's on here. Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin Dark. Quantum. But yeah, guys, the 10x is on here. They have all types of coins on here, guys. Okay, stuff that you can't buy on Coinbase. Okay, so I just want to kind of get you guys aware that Kucoin is out there, and I feel like it's going to be a legitimate solution to buying altcoins. Now, have I bought any altcoins through here yet? No. Okay, so I'll be doing an update on when I do start using this platform. But I mean, my review right now at this point is that the charts look very professional. I like the way the charts look. I like the way it shows the order book over here. I just like the interface. The interface is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. So I may start using this tonight. Try and make a couple purchases of some tokens. Some coins, and then kind of see how it goes from there and keep you guys updated. Okay, but what I'm gonna do for you all is I'm gonna leave a link to this exchange below. Okay, you guys can check it out if you want. Once again, I don't give out any financial advice. I'm just letting you guys be aware of this new exchange. Okay, so I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can check it out. Kucoin exchange. If you're wanting to buy altcoins, then this is an exchange where you can do it. Okay, if you can't get in any of the other exchanges, then you can get in Kucoin and buy a lot of those coins that you couldn't buy on Coinbase, right? One thing I will say, if you guys are trying to buy Electroneum is not going to be on here. Okay, you still have to go to Cryptopia to buy Electroneum, but that's one of the few coins that are like that. Okay, guys. So once again, if y'all enjoyed the video, click the subscribe button and tick the bell. This was just a short little video to just kind of make you guys aware of the new exchange. Okay, I just want to cut a quick one for you all. I'll be back with a new video tomorrow. We're doing videos every single day. Make sure you're subscribed because I'm going to be putting out some really good content next week, some announcements, talking about different things I'm going to be doing for you guys to be able to get more out of the channel. Okay, guys, I appreciate y'all, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Peace.